So I'm done, guys. Done. Very short session, but done.
The ego is purely physical in terms of thought patterns and pretty much stays on the surface. Its concerns are usually petty problems dramatized in the mind. Forgetting your true nature in this matter disconnects you from yourself and makes you a slave to circumstances.
I'm not going to lie to you, that is one of my biggest problems. I end up thinking things and then end up dramatizing it, making it much more bigger than what it is. So I'm still work in progress. What's going on, peeps? I didn't have the best workout, and I forgot my tripod. And I forgot that I had to book the session in advance. So as soon as I got to the gym, I realized, oh God, I haven't got my tripod. I haven't booked it. I went in and they said, well, normally we wouldn't do this, but on this one-off occasion, they'll give me 40 minutes or so to work out. It wasn't my best workout, if I'm being honest. I only did squats, and after doing squats, I went straight on to 20-minute cardio. So it's better than nothing, I suppose you could say that, and that's a positive of looking at it. At least I did some exercise rather than not doing anything. So today, what I want to share with you, and this is probably something that you probably heard a gazillion times already, about not giving up on yourself. I've had a lot of challenges happening in my own life. I've had a lot of trials, a lot of adversities. And there were times when I just felt like thinking, what the hell do I do? You know, how do I cope with this? You know, this is just so hard and so tough. And when is this going to end? Is it going to end? And I want you to remember this. You're going to come across some really hard times in your life. That's guaranteed. You know, we have our rises and our falls. Things going well, things not going so well, and that's just the part and parcel of life, you know. And you've just got to accept things for what they are. It is what it is, as I always say in my videos. But essentially, the only thing you can really do is, once you work on yourself, and I keep mentioning this a lot in my videos, is to work on yourself, work on your vision and who you are. Because there's going to be times when in fact, majority of the times, especially in the early days, you're going to feel like that your inner reality of what you visualize doesn't actually match your outer. I'm actually sweating profusely. Your inner reality doesn't actually match your outer reality. And that will be the case, but this way, the times when you have to still keep believing, and you've got to have this firm, concrete vision of what you believe. And this is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm saying this to myself more than I'm saying it to you, because I'm investing a lot of time in myself. I mean, you wouldn't see what goes on behind the camera, you know, what I do to work on myself. You know, I do everything under the sun, you could say, you know, from reading to visualizing, from meditation and all that sort of stuff. But I have faith, and I pray to God that the vision that I have for myself will come true. And the fact that I'm recording this and documenting this is something that I can look back on, something that you can look back on, you know, in, I don't know, 5 years time. You can say, wow, what this guy actually said, you know, he's actually making his dream come true. And I'm working so hard and, you know, valiantly, and working like a Trojan on my vision. And I want you to do the same. You know, there can be days when you just don't feel like it. In fact, I didn't even want to vlog today, if I'm being honest. I really didn't. But I'm here to tell you that since I've made that promise that I am going to vlog, I'm going to vlog daily, that I'm going to do it. So that's my message for today. There's no big and profound message that I can say to you, really, other than just to keep working on yourself. Don't give up. Have that vision. Keep working on that vision. And there are going to be times when you feel like you want to give up. You know, there are times when I just think, oh my God, bloody hell, another day, you know. But just don't give up. Just keep going, you know. And that's all I've got to say, really. I'll just keep this one really brief. I hope you have an amazing day today. I'm sorry it couldn't be the vlog that I wanted it to be, but I'm going to keep going, and I want you to keep going. So my friends, have an amazing day. Take care. All the best, and my love to you. Take care. Bye-bye.